In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create snippets in HubSpot. Snippets are short, reusable blocks of text that save you time when you're writing emails, logging calls or notes, or chatting with prospects. Instead of typing the same message over and over, you can insert a snippet in seconds and keep your communication consistent and on brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If your account has multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you continue so your new snippet lands where you expect it. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar. Hover to expand the navigation and look for the CRM section. Inside that area, find and click Snippets. This is the central library where all your existing snippets live and where you'll create new ones. On the Snippets page, click Create Snippet. You'll see a form with a few key fields. Start with the internal name. This name is for you and your team, so choose something clear and searchable. Think of a naming style like Sales Discovery Follow-up or Support Troubleshooting Intro. Good names make it easy to find the right message later and avoid duplicates. Next, add your snippet text. This is the actual content you want to reuse, such as a greeting, a short product overview, or a meeting follow-up. Keep it concise, skimmable, and professional. If you use placeholders like brackets for a customer's name or company, make them obvious so you won't forget to personalize them. You can include line breaks, bullet-like formatting via simple dashes, and links if needed. Just ensure the message stands on its own and is valuable wherever you plan to use it. Now create your shortcut. This is a quick code you'll type to insert the snippet fast. Make it short, memorable, and unique. Something like disk follow-up or trouble intro. Stick to a simple, consistent format, usually all lowercase and without spaces, so your team can remember it easily. When everything looks good, click Save Snippet. That's it. Your new snippet is ready to use. The next time you're composing an email or logging a note in HubSpot, start typing your shortcut to pull it in instantly. If you need to tweak the message later, come back to the Snippets library to edit or rename it so your team always has the latest version. You've just created a time-saving snippet in HubSpot. Simple, fast, and scalable for your whole team.